Why fungi? Fungi is an absolute essential part in an extremely efficient system. Fungi is basically the telephone system of our nutrient and soil system. Fungi does a really good job at helping plants not only communicate with plants around them if you're in a raised bed system, but helps a plant communicate with itself in and of its own root zone. The best time to utilize fungi is during transplant. And the reason that is because during transplant, our roots have a wide exposed range of roots, and those roots are kind of stuck by the edge of that container. And what we want them to do is as they move out and move forward, we kind of want to inoculate with that fungi so they can take the fungi along for the ride as they proliferate into their newly transplanted soil systems. Now, what does this help us deliver? Not only does this help us deliver minerals across the nutrient system, but again, helps the plant communicate with itself, making our delivery of our nutrients more efficient. And your plants will be happier, they'll be healthier, you'll decrease transplant stress, you'll increase nutrient uptake and efficiency, and you're just gonna make your garden a happier place to be. Hit us up, call us at Key to Life Garden today.
Check us out at keytolifesupply.com.